was it 2 weeks ago? No, about 3 or 4 days ago. And I had the very first, exactly 1 year, Club World Cup. Which for every Chelsea fan, we thought that was going to be the beginning of something amazing. Honestly speaking, we thought that was going to be the beginning of something really huge for us. But Amanesa, and 1 year on, the club is still ruling. I think the best thing that happened to the club in that year on has been probably Xabi Alonso and the breath of fresh air at Araba Club. But for that, nothing really has gone on. About this summer, you didn't come about Marco Palestra, Marco Tonaba. When you say that Chaveri at the end of Kunkoho, but this morning, what we are hearing is that in just the next coming days, no, Chelsea will finalize Abrante friend of Pep Chaveri now because Xabi Alonso was insistent. Say Chaveri need a player or Peno as left back, and now Jureka, look at the performance of Marco Correa. That is the kind of player that Chelsea would have to replace. And it is a coach can say. When a mission obey close to him, in building a team, you sort of help the coach in that direction. And just if you don't want to do Pep Chavara, and of course, Maxence Lecroix Bono, and Ranam will pull them back. Bono Lecroix boarding, you know, just one problem for Ranam. And Pedro Poros and I think we have an image. That is the
way I spent for Nhyira.
Aha! It was, in fact, it was. The way Danny Omo a film no and Spain for no essentially. Bono boy no yet was in control building up everything and I was every Chelsea fan was keenly watching. Physicality he was there, he was winning the real duels. We have also mentioned say or a player or front footed. On time for ball him but so step up, nobody close it down. He gave us all of those things. But for that goal that Danny Pedro Porro share at that point in time, it was purely a Lecroix problem. It was not Danny. It was not Obiakeke. It was Lecroix. No, yes, a big mistake. You know, I don't think say image. No, I see. But if you look at it, it was purely a branch friend Maxence Lecroix because once the ball went to Danny Omo, he wanted to go, and a space better Omar than Pedro Porro or Boshe, which may also be the message be by say shame on to those that predicted this is the ball. This is it, and quickly who's a Danny Omo Locrani. Once the ball got to Danny Omo, he moves towards the ball. And yes, the characteristic of centre backs normally too aggressive, no. So when you're careful, players like Danny Omo, they will attract you to the ball. There's space in my down t-shirt. That is when Abrante friend Pedro Porro was clean on goal. I think that was a big issue on Abrante friend Maxence Lecroix. But apart from that, it wasn't a problem. You see, the only hold up with that deal, Sika Crystal Palace for Nepe. And Chelsea want to finalize Pep Chaveria. Only then the focus on Abrante Maxence Lecroix for him to come in. Which, what to say, you see, Manu Kone ever become listed.
A France Rasta guy. A fantastic method.
But when we say Astati in Europe, that is the news that is going on. Say after it was officially and Yuri Tillman signing the contracts for Manchester United. Of course, announcement officially will be done today, and I think that's already gone on. Or Manchester United, and contacts have been established between Yuri Tillman and any agents, any friends, Manu Kono, and any agents for Manchester United. So United in one summer in the rebuild of the midfield. And I told you that for me, a lot of good job has been done to Ineos. Kone, Tillman, Andre Santos, Bruno Fernandes, Macy Mount, Manolo Gart, Stone Enkoye. So this is the midfield that United Ekita coming into the season. And I think that is decent. I think it's a very, very decent midfield going into the season. Of course, United can do better. And all of these things, it's about how well the coach, that is Michael Carrick, could put them together to be for them to be able to give results to team friend Manchester United. But that is a very, very good midfielder United have put together on them. Still, Barca have still not finalized the deal for Abrante, your friend Julian Alvarez, and it will take some time. But what we are hearing is that by the end of July, still Atletico for injuries offer them to come home tomorrow. There is a plan B.
Okay.
And that plan B may include player swap. And when you hear somebody like Ronald Araujo probably swapping plus money to Atletico Madrid for Abrante because Barca wants him. And then they are clear. Barca wants him. Plus the deal for Ferran Torres to go to Paris Saint-Germain can also materialize, and when it does, it can be good for them. Only the bad news for Menuna Akoso Barcelona is the injury of our bench friend Frankie de Jong. Frankie Akupra, and he can go as long as 2 to 4 months of playing football from the World Cup now. And it means that one showing Barca cannot sell Marc Casado. They have to wait and then look at how the season will develop before they can do a decision on him. But Marc-André ter Stegen, so Echo, Ajax Amsterdam, they will pay a part of his fee, which is a good one for them. Will be the message be by. What's the shame on us that predicted for the African Europeans?
More predicted my France in the I say a friend Sapon K Dennis. Shame unto all of you who predicted win for the black European team France. Bravo to the Spanish team, the team of the moment. Danny boy, and this time I said,
why shame on us? Daddy, why is shaming us?
Yeah, the data the data na catch any. Why you could do park in your room says data with you. Nanka da. Go be and Casper winning good France water. And I mean, so we take Kylian Mbappe, and the other players are on board the France. Yeah. So and Spain born on boy, no. There's no way Anna France be to win the game, no.
Rich, maybe before
penalty na having.
Say the event you see game, you know, and I heard you and you talk about the injury to Saliba. Of course, it will change something.
Sure.
Penalty, obviously, it will change something. But right, in the first half, even before all of these events, I noticed something. So in my analysis, I was keen to say one of the ways that France would beat Haiti, Spain for was the turnover in transition and the balls into the channel with the pace of Mbappe Moniade. France tried to do it. But this is where you have to respect Louis de la Fuente. Any Spain for De La Fuente for putting the team together, and then the Spanish players, especially the 2 center backs and either of the other full back, based on where the ball was, no, in doing their job, plus Unai Simon. Because even before those goals, it looked to me from commentary position, say Spain for or France and so they have the antidote to make sure they stop that. Pleasantly, I liked how the Spaniards responded to that analysis, because in very honest situation, say Oko game Musa, you know that the Spaniards want to hold on to the play, and Paul Kubasi, he didn't shy away from playing. And make Laporte, he didn't shy away from playing. But the problem was that say Spain if you go too deep, not say space near the center house next to S1. Unai Simon's starting position should be high. When you look at the data and you look at almost every numbers that come from the gamer, Unai Simon made the most sweeping from a goalkeeper than any goalkeeper in this World Cup in just one match. It's born in Yato, Spain for the first cheaper. Then you see Unai, no say boy,
on Kylian
Mbappe before Mbappe. And I asked myself, say, me person me show you play who the starting position, because originally go on Mbappe. It means that his starting position was at the edge of the box.
The awareness was wrong.
Yes, and Rich, Sanima we know the goalkeepers, trainers, the coaches, they work on it.
Okay.
Say, I didn't bet me high any. Into your starting in 2-1 amount, Sanibor Betuma, your starting position should be high. Then you can go and clear off. From there, honestly speaking, I said, nah.
In fact,
De La Fuente has done a good job. Who's that? Like sometimes, and you debiana, me person member, and no Spain, we know, to be a discredit to France. I think Spain were fantastic. In fact, again, the next thing I realized in the game, which means say France me, I didn't like the starting lineup of Michael Olise in this game. I think that Samachi, a Sankobo midfield 3, proper midfielders, Chomeni, Rabiot, and Admano Kone. But throughout the competition, France won't have played against low block sides. So when you play against low block sides, now Olise, Bakola, Mbappe, Dembele, it's because you want more technical players to break them down. But you are playing against a side that want to dominate the play. So you didn't need Olise and Bakola. You could have probably played back Olise on the wing and then taking off Bakola. Then in the game, you play Monokone. Because baby, I'm who says Spain for the dominating ball on the power was in the center of the park. And for me, they went back to the age-old adage of control the middle, control the game. Which me who be that. I don't think say the man of the match was Pedro Porro. Maybe the good I scored. It was Rodri Cascante. And the decision of Louis de la Fuente, maybe a Barca fan in the I saw a lot of Barca fans disagreeing, saying about Fabian Ruiz ahead of Pedri. Fabian Ruiz is a more natural DLP than Pedri. Pedri is more advanced in terms of progression. And the experience of Fabian Ruiz, if you want to control largely the ball, you will play Pedri. But person will control moment, or you combat him. Now we need duels on field for him to be able to control even without the ball. You need Fabian Ruiz in addition to Rodri. And then ground duels, combat. Nani?
So on the
ball, that's free out of possession. Baby of a corner, he will commit a foul there. And he goes out, puts in a tackle, comes back. In all of this, Natalia, I can catch him. 2-1 game, still like Natalia, what tackling? What a player.
The guy, Oji Ballon d'Or, among us, no. Unless I ran to the beyond time.
Yes.
Rodri,
yeah.
So on a groove more, tempo controller, Jebon on the bench, the young qua, you say the tackling spot on.
Yeah. Who's number 6 rule? No, a very interesting rule. To the extent that from old days in Albano, almost every time there's a redefinition of the rule.
Okay.
And it's Uncle Baby end time friend number 6, almost you see the word anchor.
Okay.
And so it is similar to send your ship ebe dock using its anchor. And see ship ebe be do dock now, omuja anchor no too soon as and the anchor holds the ship still. And see, for some people it's an anchor who now keep it the balance of the whole ship. Which is it? But a neighbor Bono has now asked more of the anchor. You're supposed to keep the balance, but you keep a bona. As I say, Bobby, and Utina, I thought the beer people feel like Moiskai said when you normal proper 6 because only energy young comra or be pay the clan rise as a normal 6, even 2 Lemon as a normal 6 or only 8 box to box. Because what you want for your 6 is that as you Niano plus Bonnie the canning sir. And so the Juma more on passy, on Biemu, body timber carries and Jinasu. And once he stays on the ball,
to pass back could be
Rich, it is fun. And that's why the likes of Rodri Mo and Rich imagine say at the end you see Rodri or Sanso the another experienced guy in Fabian Ruiz. Into here 2 DLPs plus France were able to midfielders are on the ball DLPs. Omi very physical. Adrian Rabiot physical. Chimeni physical, but all physicality, you know, the Spaniards could match it. Honestly speaking, in commentary point, I kept on telling myself that no, De La Fuente understood the needs of the match. Than DJ Deschamps. And it brings me to a question I want to ask you, Tifo. Rich, in Pebble, people love the game, so I'm sure they should know this. Between tactics and individual player, any player quality, my main kind individual player. Player quality, any tactics. Then I can coach and can prioritize it.
Okay.
Say so they should reply. But
my farmer said
who first?
Minimum first.
Yeah.
Player quality.
Yeah.
And a tactics.
Yeah.
Maybe player quality.
Who player quality?
Because at the end of the day, I'm going to park this.
Or we decide.
Tactics. No better the game. Maybe to feel it. But so player quality. Every minute of the game, every second of the game, game now. I love that.
And France for player quality now,
it's because also said they now want Kasawakano. Bono is paying for the born. You don't play.
I prefer tactics.
Yes.
Oh, per tactics. Reason is saying.
My reason in say unya the right tactics. Player quality ever be useless. And for Sobia Masubian,
the tactics into them must be winning right.
Yes, tactics no more winning and your player quality.
Sir, you know what I think?
Oh, also the NZ.
It's Bakun Konya Bako.
Okay.
Oh, tactics in your good, say player quality in your top, how boy they can execute it. Yes, like the French team, the player quality here, Mbappe, and now Jeboda Fanelase. Yeah, the player quality is there, but tactically they were losing the battle to the Spaniards. Dembele looked ordinary yesterday. Michael Olise. It's because at that level this time, sometimes those two don't go.
What do you say, Kofi?
Yeah.
Football is going home. Yeah, bet. Akwani ni team you be free. But me kai find na
Yeah.
So body.
Yeah.
They dictate play.
Yes, I have respected Louis de la.
Charlie, the Spain team.
Meaning
super fantastic team.
Let's hear for Kyrie, but let me wrap up here. Any good England match no.
England game no. Guess so about for player quality. I think Roddy. Okay, I'm saying no. The food doctor said tactics. We say when you have a player quality, they can adhere to your tactics.
Yeah.
Okay. Player quality exceptional. Owusu Philip. And it is our message yaba. Moses I said tactics, but with the right players to execute.
So tactics and player. Pep Guardiola. Also a top player founder.
Maybe
it's the importance of player quality. One in new tactics nature, you know. But
here quality player to execute the job.
The best number 6 here can once on the Pep Eddie need anything.
That is Rodri.
Into top player. Then I wrote tactics na yedima.
Say you better Argentina now. So we nya kasa Argentina na.
Maybe the idea Spain for you into as am I careful kakra.
Say.
Because my prediction coming into the semi-final was based on the performances of Spain and Argentina in the games coming. The Spaniards had not convinced me based on matches against Belgium and even Portugal. So when I look at the kind of football the French could play and of course the threat on possession, I felt that okay, France would beat me. But now, in the semi-final when he needed something else, the Spanish did come to the party. Almost different football, different brand of it, and that is why you have to be careful because. For the Argentines also, although games too flamboyant, they may turn up tonight. There are a lot of deficiencies in the way Linus Scolani has set up the team and all of that. But they may turn up tonight and it's going to be a big problem for them. I mean, England for no history against the Argentines. And it starts with the hand of God. I think that if there's any perfect country to eliminate Argentina for, when I say England, just for them to get it. And over 1986 World Cup, no, so 2-1 now. I'm the share. When you say Enunti, Argentina for that rating to FIFA. Say navy blue now, almost say it's our time. No, so navy blue, they want to wear it again. 1998 World Cup, last 16 versus England. Almost winning in the shootout, they wore the navy blue. Today, although they are playing at the home team, FIFA said they want to wear the navy blue alternative jersey. And because and clashing with England for 1 year, they want to wear that jersey. So psychologically, the games have begun for the Argentines. Psychologically, they want to wear the navy blue and anyway. And it's Lionel Messi, Eddie Arbentia, Rich. Maybe I trust Thomas Tuchel. I'm telling you. Maybe everybody knows this.
But I need some and I'll stop messing Pancho, Mr.
Oh, what's it? No, they asked me a question.
You find a way. No, Messi, you find a way. Be a
one beside say. Then also we they will find a way. You better beat me. Now, Rich, one man stop Messi. We made a rematch.
No Messi, me stop him.
No, Rich, and yes, and Thomas.
Unless to say be a static game now. Near man player back say, "Odo ko baby a jina ninche." Okonmuso enen ko ti say
under Herrera
a Kofi guy ne Emrebi's a player grane ne wan pa. I think Rebecca also
under Herrera ne has.
Okonmuso kura di nechi. Aha. E bia ji say any sa. Ni police no. Akwa no so ye ne sa emfa. Only no Messi at 8:39 ne the ball na obo no. Udwe ho a onti ase.
For me I think England will qualify tonight.
Kofi Nyaminchira on tunkum.
I think England.
The power assassin.
Yeah, Kenya, but soon as you come, and you are biased, and you don't like Messi.
Oh, yeah,
you don't like Argentina, you don't like Barcelona. But I mean, that is how I see it. I think that. I think
Argentina.
Yeah, the English side have what it takes to beat the Argentines for them to go through. And now, boys, for 12 odds o figure sim
amanfo say France man no em say e benya no final
ah say na mo mbese we
be amaso no
ah e
em say we dey beat
na and Princeton say Argentina and Spain be final
okay
na Yeboria Messi handing over to Lamine Yamal. I'm say, hey, Basafo. Mo ya mo say Chelsea for kasa. Then see mo ka from me no anajo. Me DMs mu me comment section. Dey bia mo ya mo say Chelsea for kasa. We will see how that will happen, but of course.
And now my couple see a penalty.
Yeah.
And me your opinion sampling.
Yeah.
Abrante bi ba Ronaldo fans. And I'm say me your opinion sampling. Me say I'm from me ade am try to we grey. Me man from me very tanka on. Me say me pa man for opinion. Abrante was so what you
me personally I don't agree with that rule. Per the rules of football a penalty. But I don't agree with that rule.
Okay. Who's that sure say you can say ding so not now awareness as
a form of course it is true and I understand that. Who say England versus Croatia. Penalty no Mujiti Luka Modric on Hurricane. It happened. The same penalty.
Yeah.
Mexico versus England. The same penalty.
Hurricane there no.
And I keep on saying that for me that rule doesn't make sense. Because yes, it almost say it describes the player being careless. But Lucadini has controlled the ball. Waiting for the ball to land and he clears it. If you tell me that is careless in that room, maybe show where then I disagree.
Okay.
Whatever, I disagree with that rule. But of course, per the rules, it's a penalty in Nhyira. France is were let down by it. My first code is BW 62 DFF 6DA. Second one is BW 62 DFEF E7FE. Third one a BW 62DF DD6F. Fourth one a BW 62DF0D45. And the last one a BW 62DEE2. These are the codes and the figures. What's the first career? 12 plus us, almost 13.
Wow.
And we are setting say UEFA Champions League playoffs no. Best answer the be.
Munchana Betway, the Bibianya Kama.